met anyone right in the 2.5 years that I've been single. There was no chemistry, it was just a chat, really. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Well, I won't see you soon, I'll hear you soon.
Well, yeah, OK.
I don't think I will be seeing Eddie again. Although he did say, I'll hear you soon. I was just like, no, you won't.
Coming up, the daters discover their compatible love match.
It's a shock.
And will it be love when the lights go on?
Let's hope when the light comes on I see a handsome man.
Well, if you're getting a feel for all this groping around, go online right now at livingtv.co.uk and you can do it yourself. So come on, boys, I'll meet you there.
So far, the daters have been on a group date.
What kind of guys are you looking for?
I like tall guys.
The first round of dating is well underway, and Eddie has his sights set on Ellie.
Touch me up, yeah.
Whilst Danny and Gemma have found a spark.
Plot zero again, definitely.
Ryan has decided to invite Ellie for a date in the dark.
Right then, I
Right,
think
good
I'm
luck,
gonna...
mate. No touching.
I got to suss anybody.
Don't touch her boobs. Don't spray your scent on her.
I'm looking forward to my date with Ellie because there was something about her in the group date. She gave me enough to get me interested, but left room for me to want to discover more.
So, tell me.
Yes. What?
What is the key to unlocking Ellie?
I'm the kind of person that wears their heart on their sleeve a lot of the time.
Me too. Honesty is the best way. Just
Definitely.
stick it out there, see what happens.
Yeah, exactly. Can
But-
I have a feel?
Of course you can.
We got to the trying to feel each other quite early on in the date.
Oh, my God!
I was waiting for that.
She really wasn't expecting my hair, and I had the reaction I wanted.
Oh, wow!
When I touched his hair, I just got an impression that maybe he looked a little bit like a clown.
Yes, it's real.
Is it?
It does
feels
feel like a poodle.
We got on, there wasn't any awkward silences or... every conversation just kept going and flew into something else.
Have you heard of something called a cwtch?
No.
No. OK. Well, it's a Welsh word.
Right.
And basically, it's the word for hug.
Oh, it's such a line! It's
honestly,
such a
no.
line!
It's not a line.
For it. We can still do it, but it's such a line.
I introduced her to the cwtch.
OK,
Okay.
right, there you go.
He gave me a Welsh hug as well, which was quite nice. Feel his big strong arms around me. I was like,
What do you reckon?
it's good.
It is good, isn't
Yeah, I could do more of this.
She scored very highly, so she's going to be a tough act to beat. Eddie has a hell of a fight on his hands. It's going to be a Wales/England war.
How was it, mate?
That was awesome.
Oh, don't say that.
Yeah, it was amazing. Oh, yeah. No, he's got no chance.
Oh, you've been blown out of the
He's
war,
done.
mate.
It's over for him.
I can see myself getting along with Eddie really well, but I don't know, I think I'd have a lot more fun with Ryan. He just seems a bit more of a cheeky chappy.
For Gemma's first date, she's invited Eddie.
The reason why I chose him was purely because I was stuck between him and Dan. And Dan's probably someone I would meet normally in the outside world. And Eddie isn't.
Hello.
Hey!
Oh, hello. First impressions of her in the group date was that she was going to be a right pain in the arse. You came across kind of quite tall and kind of like powerful. I had this picture built up in my head of her straight away, just because she's so loud and so dominating. I kind of put Ellie, then Melissa, and then I had you down the bottom because I think I was probably a bit intimidated by you because you were certainly running the show. Not in a bad way, not in a bad way.
I'm generally quite shy, and people don't think it, but I get nervous and I talk and I ramble. I am generally quite busy. But
if you ask her a question, she will literally talk for hours if she's given the opportunity.
I could sit here and talk to you for hours. I've had
You could.
really lovely
I imagine you could as well. So after 3 dates, the order is Ellie is number 1, 2, and 3.
It's time for the daters to discover which person is their most compatible love match. The compatibility test identifies shared sociological and psychological traits in couples. Data from all the show's applicants has been analysed by a psychologist to determine a compatibility percentage.
It's nerve-wracking. Palpitation.
I'm so nervous.
Melissa.
Oh, God.
Ooh, spanner in the works. Oh.
A result of around 50% indicates a couple have a substantial amount in common.
47%.
Not bad.
Ah. Well, I was hoping it was going to be Eddie and Ellie.
Eddie.
My name in lights.
Ellie.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Oh.
You might as well start planning the wedding now, you know.
I'm absolutely speechless, to be honest. 87%.
That has really surprised me.
Gemma.
Ryan. Interested?
Very interesting.
79.
How have I got 47?
79. It's a shock. The other two seem a bit down because they managed to both come most compatible with the two girls that they said they wouldn't want to be picked with.
For the second round of dating, daters must couple up with their compatibility match. First up, it's Ryan and Gemma.
I really struggle with Ryan's accent. It sort of grates on me, and I don't know if I can get past it. Hello.
All right.
Hello. On this day, I am giving a massage. So I'm going to try and avoid getting it in your hair. I sort of touched his hair, and I don't initially really like guys with long hair, which is also a bit of a... I'm trying not to claw your back.
Do it. Just claw away. Go for it.
I'm trying to relax and bring things down and make her feel less stressed, but don't think it's working.
If you catch me right on my neck, I'm going to go all shivery and weird.
Yeah, just like there.
Yeah, like that.
The whole day, I just felt uncomfortable. I've got a pig in my hand, I'm sorry. Ryan's a lovely guy, but just not for me.
Next, with the highest compatibility percentage, it's Danny and Ellie.
I'm pissed off, man. You know, I was hoping for Gemma, but I'll roll with the punch. You know what I mean? I walked in with my jeans around my ankles because I wasn't bothered about the date. Just a little test for myself, really.
Hello.
Here she is.
We're going to make cocktails.
I don't know if he drinks cocktails, but tough. He's going to.
How are you doing anyway?
I'm all right. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
87%. What do you reckon about that?
Oh my God. That's why I was shocked.
I was.
Did you think you were matched to me?
No.
Sugar.
Did you?
No.
So I was trying to see how long I could go without her noticing.
I'm covered in sugar.
Yeah, I've got it all over my jeans.
You wearing jeans?
Yeah. She did have a feel on my leg, so I quickly pulled my jeans up, so I got away with that one. And then she made god-awful cocktails.
That's minging.
That is the worst cocktail I've ever tasted in my life.
The whole cocktail making scenario was just ridiculous.
It's like completely all over me.
Is that your leg?
That's my leg. And look, I'm all wet.
Ooh, that was a bit like oil. When she was making the cocktail, spilled a bit of sugar on her leg, so I decided to lick it off. Was that a bit much?
No, I think it's quite funny.
I think I could have a lot of fun with Danny. I actually quite like him.
See you later. I got a feeling I ain't gonna fancy her. I just got that feeling. I came back down and Eddie's face was as per usual with the when it's anything to do with Ellie. She went, oh, I've got sugar all over my leg, so I licked it off. Even if it went, I'd have probably told him that it went well, just for my own benefit, because he really, really likes her.
Kiss? Only on both cheeks, right. Yeah.
At this stage, I've chosen Ryan over the other two because he's different from what I'd probably usually go for.
Finally, although there was no spark in the first date, it's Melissa and Eddie.
I thought what might be good was to swap T-shirts and design a T-shirt for each other.
Hello, compatibility map. Walked in and Melissa was there, ready and waiting, with what appeared to be a whole play school's worth of felt tip pens. I'm here.
Right, you're here, yeah? Okay.
I think the T-shirts just acted as basically a disguise for our nervousness and our discomfort with each other. So how did you find this morning with the compatibility?
Oh yeah, let's talk about that. I was surprised that we were the most compatible.
Yeah. After the individual date that we had, I was like, oh, okay, I said, I don't think that we really kind of got on that fantastically. I think we're on different Not even different pages. I think we're in different books altogether. I don't know what else to do, I'm sorry. You're going to have to just draw me now.
It was my turn. I really didn't know what to draw. Right, hang on.
Here.